building trust and rebuilding when it's broken. In our previous chapter, we delved into the complexities of navigating conflict and how these challenges can lead to growth in our relationships. We learned that approaching disagreements with empathy and a willingness to listen can turn potential rifts into opportunities for deeper connection. This brings us to another crucial aspect of building and maintaining a healthy relationship: trust. Trust is the cornerstone of any strong partnership, allowing us to feel secure and open with one another. However, it's also one of the most delicate elements in a relationship, and when it's broken, it can feel like a daunting task to rebuild. Let's take a moment to reflect on a real-life scenario. Imagine a couple, Mia and David, who once felt solid in their relationship. Their foundation seemed unshakable until a small mistake from David, a forgotten anniversary, sent ripples through their trust. What began as a minor lapse quickly snowballed into deeper insecurities for Mia, making her question whether she was truly valued. This experience highlights how easily trust can be tested in even the most loving relationships. As Mia and David confronted the aftermath of David's oversight, they had to navigate through the hurt feelings and misunderstandings that followed. It became clear that rebuilding trust wouldn't just involve a simple apology. Instead, it required an open dialogue where both could express their emotions freely and without fear of judgment. This process is essential for restoring the sense of safety that is vital for any relationship to thrive. To effectively rebuild trust, couples can start by creating an environment where honest communication is encouraged. Just as we discussed in our last chapter, addressing conflicts openly is key. But now, the focus shifts to understanding the feelings behind the conflict. It's about recognizing that trust, once broken, doesn't just need to be repaired. It needs to be actively nurtured. One way to do this is through taking consistent, intentional actions that demonstrate a commitment to restoring trust. For David, this meant acknowledging Mia's feelings of hurt and making a conscious effort to show her that she was a priority in his life. Whether it was through small gestures like planning thoughtful dates or checking in regularly, these actions helped Mia feel valued again. It's also essential for Mia to articulate her needs during this time. By communicating what would help her feel safe moving forward, whether it's reassurance or simply more quality time together, she enables David to understand how to rebuild that trust more effectively. The journey of rebuilding trust often requires patience and understanding. It's important to remember that trust doesn't return overnight. Just like a bridge, it needs a solid foundation and ongoing maintenance. Together, Mia and David began to establish new boundaries and agreements, like regular check-ins to discuss their feelings and reinforce their commitment to one another. This approach not only repaired the cracks in their trust, but also created a stronger bond moving forward. As we consider the profound importance of trust, we also prepare to shift our focus to our next chapter: cultivating empathy in your relationship. Empathy is a vital skill that can enhance your connection and understanding, especially when faced with challenges. It allows you to see the world through your partner's eyes, making it easier to navigate both conflict and trust building. If you found these insights helpful and want to dive deeper into how empathy can transform your relationship, consider subscribing to our channel. We're here to explore ways to foster a deeper understanding between partners, and we encourage you to share your own experiences in the comments. Your stories could provide inspiration and hope to others on similar journeys. Stay tuned as we explore the power of empathy, how understanding each other's feelings and perspectives can create a more resilient and loving partnership. Together, we'll uncover the tools to enhance your relationship and cultivate a space where both you and your partner can flourish.